we needed to create these systems that exist without us having to be there and outside of us. And two, we needed enough revenue. We still need enough revenue to be able to do that. And so how do I get this business to that place? And I do believe that the potential is there. And we're getting there. So there were a couple different things I started to do. One, create processes and operations that were concrete and written down. And two, starting a little bit of a rebrand. So cleaning and laundry and domestic things aren't my thing, but people are my thing. And so we started to create a brand and a brand voice of really, I tried to be really human-centered, using myself as the example. Like, I hate laundry. I don't want to do laundry. I love other people's laundry, but now. But how do we create this atmosphere where we take America's second most hated chore and make it fun and understanding and just make people's lives better? Like, my goal is I want people to walk into our laundromat and be absolutely wowed and feel better